Hey guys, well today is the day. Today is the day that we see if this old Pontiac's gonna run. Been working on it the past couple days. Well, worked on it for a while and then I neglected it for a few weeks, but I got back on it yesterday and that's done. Anyway, I got back on this yesterday and fought off the bees and got the fuel pump changed and got the wiring harness put back in. It's not all the way hooked up yet, but it's in. Tested everything. I'm getting power to the coil. Starts, it turns over. Primed the carburetor, gave it some prime for a good time. Got a battery on it. So I think everything's ready to go here. So let's just put this thing on the tripod and we'll see what we get. Well, hey, okay. So, I think the choke is stuck on it. So let me get in here and deal with that a little bit, and I'll get back at you. We'll try this again. I think it got some burning points a little bit because it's kind of trying to cut up and misfire a little bit. So that'll be my next thing I do, is put in some points. And I think it's going to have a carburetor rebuild because I had to take this top of this carburetor off. It was flooding, and the accelerator pump was busted up. You can see maybe the spring was gone out of it. All that was kind of coming apart. So yeah, just kind of, you listen back here, you can kind of hear it cut up a little bit. Give you guys a little bit of old school Pontiac car porn here. This camera cooperate. Wait, man, I gotta push back. I think I do. Yeah, it's not this way. Oh, that's professional, isn't it? All right. Now, you more old school guys than me listening to this and everything that's still familiar with these points, tell me that if you think that's what's going on with it. I think it is, because they just, you know, it cutting up like that. It don't sound right. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm trying not to do that on videos anymore. Sorry for my manners. Pardon me. But, so yeah, maybe I'll tinker tomorrow evening. I might tinker with the points a little bit and clean them up some and see if that'll fix all that. And I'll get out here and see if this thing will move. Got a, I'm running right off a outside tank right now, but I think that there ain't nothing wrong with the car tank. I'll just put some gas in it tomorrow and hook it back up. But anyway, she does live. I'm gonna get this old boat moving. I know this is a long time coming, and I was ready for it as much as anyone else, so I hope y'all enjoyed that, and there'll be more to come. Have a good one.